GAA Gaeilge agus Bannachtí na Féile Oribh is Mishid Diarmaid Marsden. During this week-long of Irish language celebration in Seachtain na Gaeilge at St Ronan's College, I would encourage all students, staff, family members to continue to use and promote the Irish language as often as possible, whether that's in their written communication or their spoken communication. Gaeilge, or Ulster GAA, who I work for, have lots of initiatives going on at local grassroots club level to help promote the Irish language, such as our Gaeilge Club programme or our teaching plan for clubs, which will be launched very, very soon. I notice online that our local GAA clubs have a lot of activities and initiatives to help promote the Irish language during Seachtain na Gaeilge, and I would encourage you all to log on and tie in with those events as they happen. The GAA see a big role for itself in promoting the Irish language as well as our national games and our pastimes. And during Seachtain na Gaeilge, we have a number of great videos and podcasts that are available to listen to or view on our social media platforms. So I wish you well. I hope you enjoy Seachtain na Gaeilge and keep learning Irish. Ba Ash Fe Liv, Con Seachtain na Gaeilge, a Héilearú I Gaeilge ní Ronan.